Kevin here from Harrington Classic Car Restorations. Here's the 74 CUDA. We're blocking it out to find our highs and lows. There's a high spot. Obviously what's left with the black Orca guide coat. Those are the low spots. And we circle them just because when we DA this later with some 80 grit, we know exactly where the dents are. The reason I put the X there is because that's a high spot and we'll need to tap it down, but we're getting there. We also made templates to seal this up, and we'll make the patches for it and weld that up soon.